Hi, my dear Tare Jaminpur. In this problem, we are going to calculate mode and mean for the given data. And then we have to interpret those two values. And I think you all know that what is the formula for mode. You have to tell along with me L plus F1 minus F naught by 2F1 minus F naught minus F2 into height. This is the mode formula. And you should know each and every term in it. L stands for lower limit of model class, H stands for height of the model class, F1 frequency of model class, F0 frequency of preceding model class, and F2 is frequency of succeeding model class. Before proceeding further, we welcome you to
Magic pencil. Welcome to T10 Solutions.
right. Let's continue. First of all, we need to arrange this data as shown here on the screen. And then first and foremost thing is we need to identify model class to calculate mode. I think you all know that how to identify model class. See here on the screen 10 from the given values of frequency 10 is the highest value. So this class interval, which class interval 30 to 35, this class interval we have to select as a model class. Once if you can successfully identify model class, then the next part is identifying the values related to the formula. See here L we need first of all. So L stands for lower limit of model class, that is 30. Then height of the class is 5 because 35 minus 30 is equals to 5. Then F1 means frequency of model class, that is 10, and F0. So F0 is nothing but frequency of preceding model class, that is 9, and F2 is 3, frequency of succeeding model class. Once you identify these values, you can substitute these values in the formula and then you have to simplify. Now let us substitute these values in the formula and simplify. So L is 30 plus F1 is 10, F0 is 9, and by 2F1 means 2 into 10 20 minus F0 is 9 and F2 is 3 into 5. So we have substituted. Now let us simplify the values. 10 minus 9 you will get 1, and 20 minus 12 is equals to 8 because 9 plus 3 is 12. Two negative numbers, so 20 minus 12 we have to do into 5. And then 30 plus 5 by 8. And when you divide this 5 with 8, you will get 0.625. So after addition, the final answer is 30.625. This is the final answer for mode. Therefore, mode is nothing but maximum number of students per teacher is equal to 30.625. Till now, we calculated mode for this given data. Let us now calculate mean for the same data. And you know that to calculate mean, first and foremost thing is we need to find out class mark for each class interval. So how to do that? See here, for this class interval 15 to 20, what we have to do, 15 plus 20 by 2 will give us 30 by 5 to 35 by 2 is equal to 17.5. Similarly, for every class, you can calculate class mark. And if you follow direct method, you have to multiply fi xi, but these values are big. So since we are lazy, we want to follow, means let us calculate di values. And you know that first of all, to calculate di, you have to select one of the xi value as our assumed mean. So for this problem, we are selecting 37.5 as our a, means assumed mean we are selecting. Now what we have to do, from each xi value, we have to substitute this 37.5. Means for example 17.5 minus 37.5, if you subtract, you need to write here. Similarly 22.5 minus 37.5, that value you need to right here. So all those values in this column you have to calculate and write. These are the di values. But again, when you follow assume mean method, here you need to multiply fi into di. Again, these numbers are also big. So again, as naturally we have laziness, we want to calculate little bit small values we want to get. So what we want to do is, for all these di values, let us divide with h, means height of the class. How much? H is equals to 5, because the difference between 15 and 20 is 5. Like that, for every class interval, the height is same. So now with that 5, we have to divide for all these di values. So when you divide these di values with height of the class, you will get these values. So now we have to multiply fi and ui so that we can get these values. See here, fi is 3 and ui is minus 4. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. Then 8 into minus 3, minus 24. 9 into minus 2, minus 18. Like that, fi values with ui values you multiply so that you will get all these values. Then these are the values which are important. A 37.5 and sigma fi 35, sigma fi ui minus 58. These values now we have to substitute in the formula of step deviation method so that we can calculate mean for the given data. Now let us substitute all these values in the formula, and we are using step deviation method here. So x bar is equal to a 37.5 plus sigma FIUI, that is minus 58, by sigma Fi, that is 35, into height of the class 5. So when you divide 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja. So 37.5 plus into minus 58 by 7. And when you divide this 58 with 7, you will get 8.286. And after subtraction this 8.286 from 37.5, you will get 29.214 approximately. So therefore mean means average number of students per teacher is equal to 29.214 for the given data. Hope you got good clarity on mode and mean calculation. And these are the values. Mode is 30.625, means maximum number of states which are having most student teacher ratio is 30.625, whereas average number of students per teacher is 29.214. So these are the values, and hope you got good clarity. If yes, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.